Hi guys, simply AlRitch here. It's time of the year again that we have to update our Google Tax Info or YouTube Tax account or Google AdSense account. As you can see, I'm logged in my Google AdSense account and you will see a warning message to update our tax info. I think we will receive this every 3 years, and this tutorial will work every time we need to update our tax info. So I have two accounts for my website and for my YouTube account. So simply click that submit tax form button that you will see. As you can see, it was updated last May 6, 2021, and it will expire December 2024. So it's 3 years. So next time again, check this tutorial and the same works. If you forgot the steps, just follow. Okay, click that submit new form to add your tax info or update. Then log into your account. Okay. Okay, I have to type again my password. Okay, then click next. Okay, what type of account is Alma Rachel? I'm choosing individual because this account is only for me. I'm choosing no because I'm not a US citizen. So, and then I'm choosing W8 band. So this applies for non-US individuals. So this tutorial works for non-US residents. In the DBA, you don't need to add that because you are a individual, not a business or doing business as something. Then choose your country. So I'm going to choose Philippines. And then, okay, input your TIN number, your foreign TIN number. Okay, then click next after that. Then input your address. You can choose the same mailing address. So, okay. When I choose that one, it populates the data of my previous address. So you can just add those or update. Then select the yes, I am eligible for reduced withholding rate. Yeah, because we are non-US residents, so our tax is lower compared to the US residents. Okay, choose the country. So Article 13, paragraph, or choose the 15%, the reduce. Choose the lower one. Then make sure to check the boxes. Same thing with Article 8 and Paragraph 1. It is 0% reduced rate. Article 13, Paragraph 2A, 15% reduced rate. And then click Next. Okay, that's it, guys. Then make sure you have supplied or mark check. So I didn't mark check the Philippines. So make sure to uh, completely fill out this section here, or yeah, then click next. Okay, the next question, if we perform any services or activities within the US, or we expect in the future. If no, just select no. Yeah, because all my services are inside the Philippines, so I'm going to select no. Okay, so for because this is for non-US residents. So let's just wait for it to load, and then click accept the delivery. If you want a paperless delivery, then confirm, mark all check. Then as you can see, the tax rate are reduced 0%, 15%, 15%. Then confirm, and then do not check the unchanged status. Then certify that you are the beneficiary, primary beneficiary. Then click submit. That's it, guys. Our tax has been approved, and as you can see, it will expire after 3 years again. So it's December 15, 2024, and then it will expire December 2027. So if you forgot how to update, you can just check back this video.